American Lung Association's latest State of the Air report found that too many people are living with unhealthy levels of air pollution. The report looked at smog, and Colorado had mixed results. So joining us now is pulmonologist Dr. LaBelle with HealthONE. Thanks so much for joining us.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Okay, so Denver is ranked 6th most polluted city in the country. What health risks are associated with poor air quality?
So the worst air quality that we have really is associated with ozone. And the main issues that we see with ozone really involve breathing. And so there are susceptible groups, mostly children, people over the age of 65, and anybody with any underlying lung disease, such as asthma, COPD. The symptoms that we tend to notice are shortness of breath, chest tightness, and then folks with worsening of their lung disease who have underlying lung problems.
You know, it's summertime, kids, they want to go outside. Parents want to say, kids, go outside. How can we protect our kids?
So the best thing is to really kind of pay attention to what kind of day it is. So, you know, checking the air quality index, especially focusing on the ozone levels. There's a very nice kind of chart on levels and color-based that can tell you what we're looking at. The ozone tends to be worse as the day goes on. So if we're going to be outside, try to make it as early as possible. And we tell people who are exercising to try to get out early in the morning or late in the evening. And so really avoiding those hot afternoon days. Yeah,
that's really good advice there. So we are heading to the peak of wildfire season. We have a couple hot and very dry days coming up. What are the top health concerns when it comes to smoke and air pollution?
So really the biggest concern, just as we talked about, is worsening shortness of breath, worsening wheezing, especially people who are vulnerable and especially people who have underlying lung disease, especially asthma. We tend to see a lot more hospitalizations, doctor visits within the first 48 hours after bad pollution days. So,
you know, being exposed to bad or poor air quality, can that lead to chronic disease?
It can. It's poor air quality and pollution does put people at higher risk for underlying lung problems, asthma, and even COPD.
Okay, so anything else you want to add and you want people to know out there who are bracing for these 100-degree temperature days?
I think the biggest thing I want to is if you have underlying lung problems, pay attention to the air quality. Try to stay inside, especially on the poor air quality days. And if you have to go out early.
Okay, very good advice. Thank you so much for joining us today.
All right, thanks for having me.
All right, and remember, you can watch all of our interviews on our website, cbscolorado.com. We'll be right back.